In this video, I'm going to show you a quick look at the AI advisor that is now available in the PlungePalz mobile app. It is able to be your companion for your contrast therapy journey. You could chat with it to get recommendations, protocols, what you should be cold plunging at. You could customize the preferences of how you would like your AI advisor to respond to you and what your goals are. With all the data you've recorded in PlungePalz, whether you've recorded a sauna, cold plunge, or cold shower activity using your mobile device or your smartwatch, all that data helps drive the best catered response for your AI advisor. We also have third-party integrations where you can integrate your Apple Health or your Oura Ring data straight into your AI advisor to give you a more customized response for your contrast therapy recommendations, journey, and wellness score. We will have more integrations coming soon, like Strava and Garmin Connect. Another disclaimer is that we keep your data safe. We do not sell it or make it available to any other third parties. It's kept privately within PlungePalz's ecosystem, and we want to make sure that your data is your data and no one else can touch it. And then another call out is if you want to read more in-depth details about the AI advisor, you can go to our website here, click app, and then AI advisor, and there's more details all about the AI advisor. In this video, I'll show you what it looks like and make some call outs. Let's dive on in. So open up the PlungePalz app and go to your AI advisor. Your wellness score calculates daily. So whenever you open up this AI advisor, it's gonna refresh your score based on the previous week's data. And in here, we'll have a score between 0 and 100, where 100 is being the best based on the goals that you set for your AI advisor. If you just unlock this feature, you will see an onboarding button at the top here. Go ahead and click that and follow the onboarding session to make sure that your AI advisor is aligned with your contrast therapy goals. And you could also update those settings for your AI advisor preferences just by clicking the settings here and then selecting what your advisor style is, your wellness goals, your focus areas, the intensity preferences, the preferred activities. And you could also connect your integrations right here. And as you can see, I have my Oura Ring connected, and we could see all of that data that I have had on my Oura Ring in the past 14 days. And then let's go back here and let's go back into the main AI advisor tab. Go ahead and click into tap for full breakdown and rationale. So this right here gives you a quick snapshot of your breakdown, as we believe in 4 pillars for your contrast therapy journey. We got activity momentum, streak consistency, your progression, and your recovery status. Right in here, you can read more about all these on our website in more detail, but really quick, there's a description of each. So your activity momentum, you got your activity days this week versus the prior 7 days. So this is just the momentum you're building up, getting into your contrast therapy journey. Then your streak consistency, this one is low weighted, but it is based on your current streak versus your all-time best streak. So my streak, I actually I fell out of it, and my best streak is 43 cold plunges in a row. So that's why you see such a low score. The progression, this is just your session duration and intensity over the past 14 days and the trend over that. Your recovery status, this is estimated based on the time since your last session. Your advisor's analysis right here, this explains more of how that score of your 70 wellness score, or on the home screen right here, was calculated out. And it will also bring in other metrics. For example, my readiness score, 87. That's what my Oura Ring measured last night from all the data that it took in. And then you could see the timeline right here. My sleep and recovery was generated from my Oura Ring. So you could also do this with your Apple Health integration and soon Garmin Connect integration. If I click on the Oura Ring, you could also see the data that is taken for this timeline today. And then if you want, you could swipe to see your past wellness scores. And then you will also see in timeline when you record cold plunge or sauna or cold shower session, it will pop up in here. When we have the Strava integration, you will be able to see all your workouts streamlined into this timeline as well to have a full holistic view of your wellness lifestyle. If you want to view your past wellness scores in a calendar view, you could click View Calendar, and this will show you all of your scores that were generated during your lifetime of being a PlungePalz member and having the AI Advisor premium feature. Okay, let's pop back into the main AI Advisor tab. You will also receive a today's protocol, and this is going to be generated heavily based on your advisor preferences. So mine will only be for cold plunge and sauna, since my preferred activities is cold plunge and sauna. And this will generate every single day, brand new, based on your previous data within PlungePalz and your wearable technology integrations. Okay, another cool feature is you could chat with your AI advisor. Let's go ahead and do that. So there's already pre-prompted questions that you could ask it. Let's just go with one of those for now. So how have my cold plunges been this month? I'm just going to click that one, and then we will get a little second countdown on the AI advisor working in the background. Okay, so we've got the response here, and it says, here's your cold plunge breakdown for April. This month, 3 sessions, gives you the dates, the temperatures. All sessions were logged via Garmin. Gives more context, so very cool stuff. And as we're training our AI advisor, the responses might not be perfect. And that's okay, because you can have the say in improving the model for PlungePalz. So if you don't like your response, you can go ahead and click the down, thumbs down, and then say what was wrong. And we encourage you to provide as much detail so that the AI advisor will train and continue to learn how to give you the best response. All right, so I am just gonna give and you could follow up if it asks a question like, what's your vibe today? Do you want to get back into it? Do you need a rest day? And I'm just gonna say, I just want to cold plunge today. What do you suggest in terms of time and temperature, and why? Okay, so we'll enter that in, and now we're gonna get the AI advisor working in the background to give us our best response. Okay, here we go. We've got excellent timing. Your data is stellar today. Here are my recommendations for a cold plunge, and then it goes ahead and it tells you the temperature we should be doing at 40 to 42 degrees. You've proven you can handle this range. Nailed it on April 15th. It's cooler than your historical average. Okay. Your readiness score. All right. So we got that from the Oura data that it pulled in. And then it says why this combo is great. So it looks like it's saying right here, duration, 5 to 6 minutes at 40 to 42 degrees. And then there's got some more data on why it chose that. Let's come back into here and let's ask another question. Let's do, what is my average heart rate when I cold plunge? All right, let's click that. Okay, here we go. So this response is actually pretty cool. So it tells me what my average heart rate for all my cold plunge sessions, and then it goes and talks about the range of my BPMs from my latest cold plunge, as well as the lowest and the highest. Pretty cool stuff. Okay, let's go back into the chat with our advisor and let's ask it another question. So let's say I want to ask it, what is my ideal time to cold plunge at? Get scientific with the benefits. Okay, gave a really long response here. Excellent, your data is compelling. Here's your scientific cold plunge timing guide, personalized to your physiology. Your ideal time, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Why this time works for you. Okay, excellent. The science of temperature specifics. Your 6 to 8 p.m. protocol, science-backed. Why not morning for you right now? And then the bottom line. Super cool. All right, so then if you want to just reference any of your past AI chats and continuing to chat with that conversation, you could click this button up here and you can see all your past conversations that you have had with your AI advisor. And if you have any feedback or experience any issues, please reach out to us at support@plungepalz.com and we'll take care of you right away. And remember, with PlungePalz, you never plunge alone.